How about the 1917 Buick D-35 Touring car? Pale yellow over black, mostly original example, 170 cubic inch inline four-cylinder. 3-speed manual with a newer clutch. You can drive this, you can restore it, you can do whatever you want. That's the beauty of a car like this. It runs and drives, and that's great. As we always say, if you buy a car that needs restoration, the running and driving part is the most important part. And then decide what level you want to go to. Do you want to completely restore it? Do you want to, sympathetically restore it, which means that you fix the things that are kind of obvious, and don't go deep into, frame and chassis and all that stuff. So